In this video I'm going to show you how to get Netflix on the Nintendo Switch 2. First go to System Settings, select A, scroll down to Internet, select Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi you are connected to and then select Change Settings. Scroll down and here we need to change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. And then what we need to do is we need to change the primary DNS to this. So 405.055.142.122. When you've done that, click on Save. OK. Connect again with your Wi-Fi. Connect to this network. And now it is not gonna connect again to the Wi-Fi, but that is totally okay. Click on OK. Now it is gonna take us to Google. Yes, select the first one. And then in Google type in Netflix. Search. Select again the first one. And now you are in Netflix. So this is how to get Netflix on the Nintendo Switch 2.